Alrighty, guys, you know what time it is. We have the Red Bull. It is time for the live stream today. We just had that bell go off. Let's go. Fantastic day. Starting off so far, in my opinion, AMD came right back down. That makes me happy. I hope that, honestly, that they keep falling off there, especially if that overall market keeps pulling back, especially if DraftKings pulls back, and Disney and Intel and all those other stocks. I'd hope that AMD comes back too. But so far today, Intel actually looks pretty decent. Not gonna lie, one of my favorite type of setups so far here this morning. But wow. No, it was my Red Bull, Manny. Thank you. Wanted to make sure everyone could hear it. Oh yeah, KR. Uh-oh, Keisha. What happened to KR? Oh my lord. Not with the earnings, guys. No. That's actually not a good move. I'm pretty sad to see that. Do not want to see that happening there, guys. That is a bad drop off to the downside, man. Not good to see. Definitely not a good start to the day for them. How about Adobe, though? I know they report tonight. Going to be an interesting one. They're actually up pretty high. Look like they might fall under support here. Yeah, that is too bad for KR. I'm surprised. I thought they would have been doing a little bit better, honestly. Yeah, let's go see if maybe we can see some earnings here. KR earnings. Let's see. Bloomberg's not going to let me read it. Barron's will, though. I think I actually have a Barron's account. Yeah, there we go. Subscriber benefits. Love it. I think if you get a Barron's account, you get 3 other accounts as well. I can't remember which ones they all go for exactly, but very interesting here. Let's go ahead and see what we have, though. Stock fell 2.9%. Earnings for the fiscal year are expected to be 445 to 460, matching the outlook from March, so that's good. And the EPS was higher. The sales actually narrowly missed, it looks like. Same store sales were up a little. Wow, I honestly would have thought they'd done a little bit better too, Keisha. Ooh, Christian's gonna fire some Adobe. Christian, I'm guessing that means you're gonna fire some calls, right? I know you're usually a call player on these types of things. Queb. Yeah, Queb's looking pretty good here. How about Baba? Nice. Yeah, that was one of the plays last night too. They were just a little bit hard to catch because they popped up pre-market. Obviously, these China stocks, they move a lot overnight and stuff because of the Chinese market, and looks like that's the case there. Target, ripping to the upside. TGT. Wow, that's actually a pretty good one, Christian. Thanks for pointing that one out today. What happened here? I just... I woke up this morning, my computer restarted itself again. Does this all the time. Don't you guys hate it whenever that happens? I'm always like, why did that... Was it my power? Was it the computer? I'm gonna pull up my Thinkorswim to get my watch list going. PLTR. Now I gotta reopen Bookmap too. Sheesh. Very interesting. Good moves, though, with Palantir. Here we go with the watch list. There we go. Baba leading the way. All those China stocks. Neo again. I'm surprised Manny didn't mention Neo here. Neo's had a great day. Wow, it's kind of under the radar. Wow, Keisha's did too. Okay. Yeah, that's weird. Wow, that's weird. Neo, that's a good move, though. I like to see that. CZR. Okay. Not too bad there either. X. I kind of like X today, guys. X might be a pretty fun one to play. I know this one doesn't really have any correlation to the market either, and it's having a pretty darn good morning for a stock like them. Why is Kraft Heinz on the watch list? They're at 36 now? Okay. Pretty good. Pretty good. Sniper Bot called out Baba. Oh, it did. Wait, let's see. Oh, it did, but Manny, that's not a... or Christian, I mean, that's a premium play there, but yeah, it did call out Baba, you're right. I looked and I was like, it did it? I didn't hear my alert. Oh, I have my volume pretty low. Another thing here. Go ahead and see what... Man, I'm not liking a lot of these moves, honestly. I think the play today might be down, right? How's AMD looking? Wow, look at that drop-off today. Sheesh. Manny, how you liking AMD here today? Liking it. Looking good here. Looking good. Come on, AMD. Keep it up. Have a nice double top there going on just about. Very, very close anyways. Yeah, Baba's hard for me to trust too. Very, very hard. Baba's just a tough one for me because I like Baba, but to me it's a big swing trading type of stock. I don't think it's a really good one to day trade. Now you can, like at open, you know, catch some good runs, kind of like right here. But it's really volatile. I normally see that this stock likes to gap up a lot. Like if we look, you know, a lot of these bigger moves lately are happening in pre-market or either right at market open. So keep that in mind whenever trading Baba. You know, like we can see like day after day, it's like right around open is whenever this stock gets the volatility usually, and then it just dies off. Now I know it's like that for a lot of stocks, but I feel like this one coming in with all that momentum from China coming into the open today and just every day really, I don't know, really gets this one going. I feel like fired WBD puts on the 1350 break. Let's see it, Sean. Very nice. I actually nice. I have 1333, 1340 is a big level here, so I like that. Warner Bros. See it on the daily. Okay. I also was a call debit spread for January. Forgot to write down the date this one was placed though. Probably just delete that one then, but it was just a big call debit spread, but wow. Stock really starting to turn over now on the daily. Watch that support at $12.50 next. $13 will probably be pretty big as well. 5-minute chart, Warner Bros. Go to Tesla real quick. Oh, you're good, Sean. At 1350, you seem pretty good too. I had one right there. Wow, Tessie's doing pretty good. I like that. Look at Tessie. Right back above 250. All right. Holding strong above there today. Not necessarily really strong, but holding above there. Hmm. Gonna have to look at that watch list one more time. What's off to the downside? Why is Coinbase down so much, guys? COIN is down like 6% or 4% here. It's like jumping around, but it doesn't even look that bad on the chart. Really doesn't even look that bad. That's so weird. I guess just because it's such a volatile stock lately, but just a crazy one there. SoFi is falling off too. Chewy, Keisha, no. Chewy did bad for you too. Chewy and Kroger today are down. Kroger's kind of coming back though. That's good. Glad to see that coming back for you at least. Mike said Intel's trying in the Discord, and yes, it is. Intel's actually doing very, very good again. There we go, Intel. Weak correlation to the SPY. I like this. Maybe they're going to go up as the market starts to drop off a little, but SPY's up too, so I don't know. Interesting. AMD's still down. What about NVIDIA? Okay, they're actually starting to come back up like Intel. What about MU? Oh, wow, they had a good morning. Qualcomm. UCOM. Not the best. What about TSM? I like TSM, Taiwan Semiconductors. Starting to consolidate. Nice, she had a July expiration for KR, so maybe it'll come back, Keisha. You know, a lot of these stocks lately, I've seen a few fall like that and then come all the way back and then some within just a few days. So there is a possibility of that happening, and it's recovering up pretty darn good so far today. Gotta give it that. Pretty good recovery for a stock like KR. Hell yeah, the SM bot, Manny. Awesome looking. We have Apple on the SM bot going crazy right now. Apple calls. Apple's also about to break the all-time high, guys. Watch Apple. 185 all-time high. Let's go. That's huge, Manny. I love to see that. Microsoft is breaking out now actually as well. Wow, Microsoft. Let's fucking go. What a move, Microsoft. I love it. Keep on breaking out. Keep it up. Come on, Microsoft. Come on now. That was my free day trade of the day. Of 338 to 338.50. We really need to see a better move, though. Need it to keep going. Wow, Lucid CEO speaking today. We said, will it hit $7? Could be possible if he's speaking. As long as he said something good. That would be pretty badass, actually. SM Bot, Apple, again, on the callouts, guys. Getting very, very close to that all-time high. And for anybody in here who wants money, or who wants to profit using the SM Bot, you know, really check it out. I'll actually throw it up here on the screen for a moment. This is a premium feature here in the Discord, but looking at it, you know, you can see it's calling out a bunch of Apple calls, for example, a bunch of Microsoft calls. This is showing that these stocks right now are having a lot of momentum. You use this as a screener. You can just use this. I hopped right over to the Apple chart. What did I see? They're about to break out to this new all-time high. You know, Microsoft is actually breaking their recent highs in a big, big way, and they're also getting called out on there. And look at that one. It was actually my free day trade as well. The SM Bot just confirmed it. So use the SM Bot as a screener like this to go find stocks that have good movement. You notice, like, hey, they're right at resistance, about to break. Maybe as they start to break out, you hop into that momentum, hop into a good trade. There you go. You pay off your monthly subscription. and there you go with the SM Bot. You know, that's a pretty good way to play it. And today was a really good example, obviously. But, you know, there's so many examples out there throughout the day. Like, look at yesterday. This bot was just calling stuff out all day long. Meta puts, Amazon puts. You know, it was calling Intel out throughout the day. There was a whole bunch of things it was calling out. Nike, Snowflake. And you can use that stuff in the moment to go check out and figure out, like, hey, where's the momentum in the market at? But the big thing is that you still have to use some due diligence. You know, you can't just because it says calls on there, you can't just go buying them. You know, you have to go look on the charts, notice like, hey, we're just now breaking out above resistance. Maybe it's a good entry now. Sometimes you might just be under the resistance. Maybe it's like Apple right now, right? You know, like it's probably going to break out, but you probably don't want to be buying it right ahead of this 185 hit. So, you know, you still have to do some due diligence and sit there and look at the market and stuff like that, but it's really, really good. It helps a lot of people out with the screener. No, Corbin. Totally not. Yeah, no, it's a premium screener. But there's tons of bots that do make callouts, Corbin, which are called the sniper bot, the hybrid bot. There's also the bonus setups channel where I call some out sometimes. There's a few channels for day trades and callouts and swing trades and tons of stuff like that too, Corbin. So yeah, there's a bunch of channels. You should check out the video on the Discord tutorial. I think that would really help you out, Corbin. If you haven't, I'm surprised you haven't seen it yet, to be honest. But check out the video. It goes over everything pretty much that we have to offer in the Discord. I'll actually throw up the video right now if anyone wants to go look at it. It'll be cool, Corbin. Just check out. There's some pretty cool stuff that's been added recently. The new video for 2023. Yeah, it's cool. I'm in on XPEV 1150 calls for 616. Looks like a great swing into Friday. XPEV. Let's go look at it. But first, I want to get Apple up here because I'm watching this 185 area, guys. 420,000 shares stacked up at 185. Like, wow. 420,000 shares stacked up on Apple at 185. That's insane. And it's jumping all around. Like, it goes from 300,000 to 400,000. I saw it at 500,000 plus yesterday. Freaking amazing. Yeah, but look, as we're starting to get there, we're going to have a lot of problems, I think, breaking through that. But once we do, I think Apple will start to get a lot of momentum. But the question is are we going to get a solid break like Microsoft where it just blasts up? Maybe Microsoft is actually giving us a bit of a breakout opportunity here. You know, this could be pretty huge. Microsoft moving to the upside, moving up to 340 could be a fantastic thing to watch because we could maybe look at Apple now and say, well, hey, Apple's probably going to do the same thing, right? It could. Man, Microsoft, that is just amazing to see there today. 341 now. Let's go. Let's go, Microsoft. Broke that high of day like it was nothing. Nothing. Love to see that. Yeah, hey guys, hit that like button. 6 likes. Let's go. Let's try to up those numbers today. Got to get those numbers higher here. As Clint Eastwood says, make my day. I love that one. We're going to do it.
Go ahead. Make my day.
You got to do it, guys. Good old Clint Eastwood. Like I said, I actually have that guy on a poster on my wall, which is hilarious. Let me see if I can find the poster here. You guys will like it. See. Here it is. I got one like this on here. Yeah, just like that. That's pretty cool. I don't think mine was that expensive, but 340, 341, that's beautiful there, guys. You know, don't go against the market. You know what they say? When you're in an uptrend, you're in an uptrend, right? I've heard it a lot. Don't go against the market. Especially whenever you're talking about Apple and stocks like that, guys. It's hard to fight these trends. You know, that's part of the reason why my day trade today was actually on Microsoft. That was a big reason why. Big reason. Because it's just, we just keep breaking out. And, you know, with us running up into this resistance, I mean, the chances of it were probably pretty high considering all the bounces that we've had in the past. Look at Apple. We're actually right on it with Apple, guys. We are right on 185. This stack is about to get wiped out or it's going to reject us. Let's see. We'll watch it live on the Bookmap. Look at that big volume dot, guys. 38,000 shares. 37,000 shares at 184.98. That is huge. That's a pretty big one, but I think we'll get even bigger. I think we're going to see a thing hit here of like, with 300,000 shares are going to hit on one of these volume dots, guys. I'm like almost guaranteeing it if we are able to get more hits like this up here onto that 185 area. The problem is the volume at the moment is kind of keeping us lower, just under there. You can tell if we zoom in even more. Fun to watch this. In the description of the live stream, so in the description, there's actually a link for Bookmap if you guys are interested in it. Check it out, really cool. See how we go though. Sitting right there, that's a ton of sellers stacked up. That's literally 422,000 shares sitting here, guys. Like no joke, 422,000 shares. Let's get the calculator out. 422,000 times 185, right? That's $78 million sitting right there. Just sitting there. Uh-oh. Ooh, what happened here, guys? That was weird. There's not necessarily a huge volume hit or anything, but the sellers got wiped out momentarily. You can see how we moved up through there for a second, came right back under. Ooh, but now that big stack is gone, guys. It is gone. Gone. What are we going to do now? So we could either, there's a couple things that could happen here. I'm thinking we're probably going to break out. We just wiped out those sellers. I think we're probably going to end up breaking out. Now, we could still reject, but that's part of where you have to feel this out now and look for confirmation. It's going to be a tough thing here for the next couple minutes. It's going to get volatile. Usually it does anyways whenever stuff like this happens. Probably going to get extremely, extremely volatile for a second. But just keep watching it. If we're able to break back above 185, I think we'll start to run up as that momentum starts to really come in there. Should be pretty good. What a move, though, guys. Come on, Apple. Let's get through there. Let's get through there. Those are sweepers, Tom. Yeah, well, we'll see what happens here. Let's see. That 185, those orders have been there every single day for the past few weeks. So, we've been eyeing it up on the stream every day. Snowflake call out, Christian said. Christian, those are premium plays, my guy. I appreciate that, though. There we go, getting above 185. Love to see that. Love to see that. Yeah, I'd say it's allowed. It's allowed because you didn't give a direction, I guess. But you could say, rather than saying just like, snowflake alert, you could say just the sniper bot made an alert or something, or, something like that. But yeah, hey, look at that. Big break above 185. And hey, Christian, it's no problem, man. It's obviously it's not a big deal. Apple, though, running up. That's huge. Above 185, 185.18. Man, good to see. Come on, Apple. Keep it up. Keep it up. Let's get some good momentum coming in. 38,000 shares of Lucid for Ali. I keep forgetting that you own that much of Lucid. I keep forgetting that. I hope it goes up for you. Hope it keeps flying. Very interesting one, though. Lucid. You said the CEO's speaking later. What time's he speaking, Ali? If you can get it by chance. Wow. These stocks are starting to get crazy, guys. SPY. Right back up to the high. That actually rhymes. SPY right back to the high. I like it. That sounds pretty cool. I like that one. We'll take it.
All right, all right, all right.
Yeah, I'll take it too, Matthew. Don't worry. Curious though. Now Spy's starting to like double top here. Apple is starting to, have a lot of resistance at 185 as well. Wonder if like there's just a lot of sellers just coming in. I mean, within the volume range. Definitely having a lot of problems breaking the 185 area still. I really like that move with Microsoft, though. That was a good one. Apple seems like it's having a lot of problems breaking, whereas Microsoft just straight up exploded. In the Discord, Mike said he likes the TLT action. Oh, wow. TLT coming back up a little bit. There we go, TLT. Wow, there we go. Right off $100. That's looking good, TLT. That's actually not bad. I'll write off $100. Look at that 5-minute chart. Looking good today. I mean, wow, that's a pretty respectable move, TLT. That's not bad. Okay, Palantir came back. How's DraftKings? Damn it, DraftKings. At least Disney's coming back a little bit. TLT. Very interesting. Yeah, I know. If for anybody who doesn't know, TLT generally goes up whenever the TNX goes down. So yeah, TNX is actually coming down this morning. Interesting. 10-year yield. Yeah, on the daily here. If these yields could come down, that would be awesome here. Heading into the winter, I'd be so happy if the yields tanked. I'd love TNX to get under 3. 300, that would be so cool. I would go insane. Microsoft, that's looking good there. Good setup. Yeah. Yeah, if you guys did not get into Microsoft yet, I would say it's a missed opportunity. Don't get in now. Don't get in now. Apple, though, is a different story to me. Apple could be a little bit better. They're trying. Apple's really trying here. It wants to very hard. And Nvidia fell right back over, though, after coming up this morning. Big difference. 2 p.m. for Ali. Okay. So the Lucid CEO is going to be speaking at 2 p.m. That'll be a fun one. Snowflake. Let's see. See these chip stocks. AMD again. We've been watching that one for a couple days now. Nvidia falling right over again, too. Geez, those big chip stocks are starting to look a little bit rough. How's Meta? Meta's still going, though. Meta says, hell no. They say, I am going up. I don't care. They uptrends all day long, baby. And hey, if you guys are enjoying the stream, smash the like button. Let's go, guys. Hit that like. Really helps us out. Like I said, it makes our day. It'll even, make Steve Madden happy.
Steve Madden. Steve Madden.
Steve! That scene was so good from The Wolf of Wall Street. Look at Meta, though. Still going up. That was awesome meta. The way that they came back this morning was just something else. I love that, man. Google's even kind of good today, trying. I just can't get over some of these initial moves that we're seeing here. They're really good. Microsoft, yeah, it's turning over hard. I would say if you guys got in on the break, definitely take profits if you haven't yet. 100% take profits on this one. Apple's pushing though, man, he says. I hope so. Or he says to push, anyways. Come on, Apple. Let's go. See on that book map again. Okay, 185.50 has some area up there as well. Come on, Apple. Come on now, you're breaking 185. I know you don't want to just sit there and do nothing. I know you want to get some movement. It's a big level that they broke, guys. I'm telling you, it could be a good chaser for momentum. Could be a decent little chase type play here today. Wow. Huge news. BlackRock, $9 trillion BlackRock asset manager to file for Bitcoin ETF? What? Really? Is that going to make Bitcoin go crazy? Uh-oh. Let's see how the news hits Bitcoin here, guys. It looks like initially it's kind of falling off here. $9 trillion asset manager BlackRock to file for Bitcoin ETF. So they're going to have their own like BlackRock Bitcoin ETF, I guess it sounds like. Wow, that's really cool. I guess it's cool. It should be good for crypto. That should be really, 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 really good for crypto. So I don't know. I would think that Bitcoin would do better for that with this news. Let's see how it comes out though. Wow. Starting to get a good candle here on Bitcoin. Man, Bitcoin's down so much recently. I didn't even realize Bitcoin had that big drop yesterday. Like, what the hell happened there? What was that? What was that? Oh, I gotta get another button here. What the hell is that? Alright, we gotta see that. I hope this ain't too loud. You guys will like this, all my my army vets out there, or Marine vets more specifically, but just anyone out there in the military, I think will get a kick out of this one.
What the hell is even that?
That wasn't what I expected. Full Metal Jacket, here we go.
Holy Jesus. What is that? What the fuck is that?
I didn't realize it was like that though, guys. I didn't realize it was that bad. Anyone out there see that movie? One of the best movies in the history of movies, in my opinion. Spy, though, right on resistance, guys. 439 hitting and holding right now. Big rejection there. I do not like to see that at all. QQQ, another bad move. Right at resistance as well. A lot of consolidation here, guys. Watch yourselves. Watch out. Microsoft still looks okay. Apple's going like it should. You know, like we've been waiting for all morning. Oh my god. Corbin, I wish I had a button for that one. Daddy, chill. Oh my gosh, Corbin. You guys know that GIF? That funny GIF? Oh, we gotta go see that now. Gotta see it. This is funny, guys. This is really funny. Here you go. Yeah, oh, it's cause I didn't even realize, Corbin, it was the same thing. What the hell is that? I see.
Trespassing on my property. Get the hell out of my yard.
JT, let me have this house.
JT let you have my house.
Yes.
My shed.
I want it.
You're trespassing on my property. You went in my yard.
Wait.
All of you.
Daddy, chill.
What the hell is even that?
Corbin, I can't believe I didn't even realize that it was the same thing. Oh my gosh. Wow, Palantir. Look at that move on Palantir, guys. Palantir needs to chill out. Jeez. Look at that move. Let's go. Let's go, guys. I never expected that to happen here. Palantir. That is one of the cooler things I've seen in a while here. Wow. Good recovery today. I thought they were going to be down in the dumps all day. Fantastic stuff. Look at Tesla as well. They're looking kind of like Tesla. DraftKings, if you pull off a Palantir, I might explode. So please, DraftKings, go up. Let's go. Pull it off. Disney, if you did it, I'd really be excited. But wow. What moves out of these stocks today? Apple, Microsoft. I mean, 342.50 now on Microsoft. If you still haven't taken profits, take them. Looking good. At least take a couple. Let a couple run, but man, lock some in. Looking great. 343 almost here, Microsoft. Getting a nice second leg. I still think, even though we got the second leg, I don't think it was too smart to be buying on that little consolidation point there, but still though, if you got in on the initial break, kudos to you. Fantastic trading this morning. There was a lot of opportunity. There was like 5 minutes of opportunity, it looks like. Spy. Really going. I love to see that one. Tessie. Wow, Tesla. Tesla. Keep it up. AMD. Keep going down, AMD. I love it. Wow, that's insane. AMD. 123.74. Very interesting. $11.40. That's crazy. How's AMD looking? Someone asked for calls in the Discord. I don't know. Oof. Why do you care about that? They are straight up inversing market now. Yeah, they're like inversing the market right now. How does Nvidia look? They're probably coming back, right? Yeah. Speaking of AMD. Very interesting here. Why is AMD so much weaker than the other stocks today? That's my question. Very, very weak today. It's like insanely weak, actually, compared to these other stocks. It could come back. Could be maybe a good dip buy, but I don't know. I don't trust it today with that movement. Everything else is coming up, so it'll probably come up a little bit, but I just don't trust it. What do you guys think? How do you guys feel about AMD? Someone was asking about it in the Discord. I don't think I'd get calls on it right now. That's kind of rough. Palantir, though, now that's another story. Wow. That is so cool. XPEV breaking as well. What's this? The hell is this? What is up on my screen? What was that? Leverage shares something? What the hell was that? Nice, Neo. What a day. I mean, this is one of the better days for these growth stocks I've seen in a long time. I wish DraftKings would move a little bit better for me, but it is what it is. AMD's still making new like lows of the day. Like what? Or almost. How the hell is that going on? That's so weird. How are our friends at PLNHF, my little marijuana stock? I'm hoping that these MJ stocks get some news here soon. Like, when the hell is this Senate Banking Committee thing going in? Honestly, this stock seems like it has a lot of buyers coming in down here at this little low. Not saying it's amazing, but decent anyway. Keep in mind that this stock they have the biggest marijuana superstore in the world. Biggest dispensary, I guess you'd say. How's Peloton? You know, Corbin, they're actually kind of looking rough on that daily chart. Yeah, I mean, they're coming back intraday a little bit, but I don't know. That's crazy there. That's crazy. Peloton. Tough one. Manny, that gif with Leonardo DiCaprio is so funny. Hang on 1 second here. Gotta look something up real quick. Somebody had asked me a question. Somebody had a quick question. Let's look at Corsair again really quick. All right, guys. Sorry about that. Had a quick question about one of my plays I've been holding for a long, long time. Long, long time. Go back to AMD. Want to see how they're doing here? Low of day still. Okay. Okay. Keep it up, AMD. Keep it up. Going down for us. Give me another big red candle. I'll take it, please. Hmm. Not liking that movement on AMD, guys. That is terrible. What is going on? It's so funny that they've been underperforming these other stocks today so much. Nvidia's starting to come down now too. Man. Palantir's even pulling back. I guess this is bound to happen, right? Like, we just had some insane explosions. I guess it's just, normal market price action to just have a pullback there, honestly. Really not too bad. He says, I love memes. Some of those are pretty funny. GIFs, memes. Carvana. Wow, let's see it. CVNA. 5%. Let's see the daily. Yeah, I mean, a lot of people were watching this one. I know that they had such the crash from that COVID, disaster that, man, you're right, though. That would have been quite the one to be buying up down here at the bottom. Low to high, 576%. My God. That's actually, like, I can't believe it. Wow, Walmart, Target, Costco. Everything's doing good besides Kroger. But it's earnings induced. Stick to SPX, someone said in the Discord. SPX, that's a fun one. That's the actual index itself. I like watching this one. I used to watch it a lot more. Now I just generally watch the SPY, or I just watch ES Futures a lot as well. That resistance at 432, I mean, we broke that like it was nothing almost on the SPY. 432, that was a big break the other day. Bring up that watch list. How did it change so far? Go back to the upside now. AI. Oh, wow. We forgot to look at them, guys. 10%. I'm surprised nobody mentioned them. Oh, man, guys. This was actually... I wish I would have plotted this one the past couple days. Darn it. Darn it, darn it, darn it. That was looking pretty darn good there. Dang, guys. Dang it. I wish I would have looked at this one yesterday. What happens though, you know, you miss those opportunities sometimes. That would have been a really fun one to keep on the radar today for open. Damn it. I love that type of setup heading into an open like that. It's so good because if you get the breakout at open, you can usually just ride it up and it's pretty safe. This type of pattern. Yeah, AI. Keisha has some shares. There we go. Look at the daily on that one. Keeps going up to new like monthly highs here. Love to see that. Where are we getting to? We're getting to the highs of 2021 at this point. Or I mean the low points of 2021. Wow. Nice. Keisha's got 1,000 shares, up 64%. That's actually pretty darn good. That's really good. Wow. Man. Can't believe some of these setups here. Sorry guys, I got another question. Sorry guys, someone's asking me about RSI here. Pretty good conversation actually, but sorry about that. Got in at $28, Keisha said. That's actually really, really good on CVNA. Oh, wait. Sorry, not CVNA. AI. There we go. $28. Now it makes more sense. Pretty good, Keisha. That's actually really good. You're doing pretty well on that one. Yeah, CRM is joining the AI game. I'm curious to see how they end up moving here the next couple days. CRM should be a pretty big one. How's Intel today? Nice, coming right back up. I don't know, SOL. I'm into AMD put, so I hope it doesn't come back, honestly. I'm surprised it's not going up with the rest of the market, to be honest with you. I'm pretty surprised. It's weird to me that it's going against it so hard, honestly. A little bit weird. I wonder if there's some bad news, actually, that maybe like we're missing here. I'm going to go look on the news. I don't see anything bad about them, so. Hey, Goldman even maintained a buy and raised the price target, so I'm confused. I think there's just some profit taking going on. You know, we look at that daily chart, it is pretty insane, honestly. I'm a little bit pissed that I didn't end up buying calls down here and trust my trend lines on this one. I did not trust the trend line on this one. Should have. Should have. Wow. Just keeps looking good today. I mean, looking good. I don't know. I don't think that that'll hold up as a really good double bottom. It could. I'm probably going to let go of my puts, though, either way. Because it's looking really, really good right now. But I'll take it. Lock some in. Probably smarter to do that anyways, you know, at support and everything like that. I think it'll still be a good play, though, as we go forward, like next few days and stuff like that. Just eye it up for the puts, you know? I feel like that AMD is going to be a good one for puts as we go forward. Manny, I trimmed some AMD. Took some profits at the low there. That double bottom. Took some profits on the puts. Hell, it's almost like a free play now. In a way. It really is actually like a free play. Unless it just goes to zero out of nowhere, but... Good job, AMD. Always like to get some of that. I still think it looks like it's going to go down, though, honestly. AI. Man, what a move there. That is just insane. That is an insane, insane, insane move. AI's starting to come back down now. I think it hit its high of day, guys. I mean, that might be the high of day. It's pretty high up there. Now, that's like really, really high. How's Apple at 185 still? Are we still holding good? Good stuff, Apple. Keep on holding. Keep on holding. Hey, I love that, Xbox. Hit that like button. Appreciate you, Xbox. Thank you for that. And thanks for joining up. You're joining up right around the end of the stream. It's all good, though, Xbox. Should be okay. That's amazing. Come on, Apple. What a push above 185. It's even breaking the high of day kind of right now. 185.80 almost. I hope it keeps up, though. That SPY was starting to turn over. A lot of stocks I saw were starting to kind of get some red candles coming in. Like Palantir specifically. Ooh, AMD. AMD, guys, that looks like a like it's just about to fall off the face of the earth to me. Rough. That is a rough one there. Wow. Keep it going. Break that low of day, AMD. Come on now. Come on now. Easy peasy. I love that. A pretty good one, you know. Nothing crazy. I think I took it like 10, 12% on that cut. Looks like it's going to be going a little lower, though, honestly. That support just doesn't seem like it's going to be holding up for us. I don't know. It could. It could now, but... Oh, there is some buyers on the book map, it looks like, but honestly, not too crazy compared to some of these lower areas. Interesting. Interesting stocks. Tesla. See Apple again. 186 has a big area, 130,000 shares there. Nothing like 185 though, like 400,000 shares earlier. That was insane. Eggshells, butt cheeks on eggshells. No, it's actually not. It is for AMD, but the rest of the market's been doing really, really good today. SPY, QQQ. Hang on, sorry, some scammer posted in the chat. How dare him. Yeah, they had to get him out of there. Nice, man. He made a nice 395 bucks on that one. Pretty good. Not too bad, Manny. And watch it for the break below the low of day. You know, it could always be a good re-entry type of play, too. If you could get a really, really quick scalp or something like that going on. Haha, Keisha, I was hoping you'd like that one. Xbox sold SoFi yesterday. Let's see. He at least made some money, though, he said. Nice. Very nice. Always good to come away green, isn't it? Coming away green. Always gotta love it. Intel 36, baby. That's cool. Keep it up, Intel. That's really nice. Really, really nice. Pretty good, though, Xbox. Selling it. You know, you picked a good time, probably, I'd say. You know, picked a good time. Good timing on that one. Feeling out these plays, though, throughout the day here right now. I feel like the SPY's getting a little overextended on the day, of course. I think that's pretty expected here. The way it's moving. Yeah, that's good timing. I guess he just likes holding SoFi. I don't know. Yeah, that was a good pop though recently. I think you had good a good one there. Maybe you can rebuy, you know, if it like dips down to like 8 or something like that, you know, come up with a good rebuy entry or a good buying point again. Probably wouldn't be bad. Yeah, 950 is not bad either. Good trade. Good trade. That was a good pop there out of them. Way more than I thought they would pop up. They honestly popped kind of like Palantir did. Straight up exploded. DraftKings has had a very nice pop recently as well. I have a feeling DraftKings is going to be dipping back down in the short term, guys. Just for all the shareholders out there, if you are holding it, I do expect some type of downtrend. Maybe back down to like 20 bucks for a retest. Something like that. Maybe even 15 if we're lucky. If we get back down to there, I'm averaging in like way more shares. So much funny stuff, guys. Apple here. Getting pushed. What's going on? Big resistance, 185.50. Okay, his average was 850. A lot of people thought it was going to 12 bucks and 15. Nice. He's been holding it since the end of last summer. That's a long, long time. Now I know why you're sad, Xbox. That's a long hold. You've been holding that stock for like a whole year now. I see what you're saying. I see what you're saying, Xbox. I understand. I would be sad as well, Xbox. I would also be sad. Your average was actually kind of higher than I thought it would be. Not bad. Still not too bad. Well, hey, I appreciate you guys joining up. I really do. I hope you guys have a fantastic rest of your day. I really do. It's been a fun time. I hope you guys join up on the Discord throughout the day. You know, we'll be in there talking about stocks, setups, stuff like that. There's always a lot of guys talking in there. Check it out if you're not in there yet. I'll be going live tomorrow morning. If anybody wants to join up, maybe we can play a game of chess or something like that tomorrow. I'll definitely be down for something fun. You know, if we want to have some fun, I'd be down for it. Could be a good time. So let's go. Have a fantastic rest of your day, and I will talk to you guys later. Have a good one.